let's walk through the steps of making this banana ice cream. What we need are 6 ripe bananas. This is a great one to do when you've got all those ripe bananas on the counter. So just add those to your blender. You can add any type of fruit you want, such as strawberries to the banana, blueberry, crushed pineapple. The choices are limitless. Doesn't have to be perfect. You can't ruin this recipe. The American Academy of Pediatrics says children under the age of 2 should consume 0 added sugar. This is an important developmental time when young children are getting used to the taste and texture of natural whole foods. Added sugar guidelines for children over the age of 2 are to limit it to no more than 6 teaspoons per day, which is about 100 calories. But keep in mind, natural sugar present in foods is enough for children, and there is no requirement to add sugar into kids' diets. And when your ice cream is ready, find any container that you have. It can be a baking dish. I've used a bread pan before, and just pour it into that, cover it with saran wrap, and throw it in the freezer. We're going to flash forward in time and see how our frozen treats turned out. So with more kitchen magic, we have our ice cream all done. So I just pulled this out of the freezer. It's been there overnight. And you'll notice that I did add some strawberries into my version at home, just to add a little extra flavor. So go ahead and scoop that ice cream into your dish. It tastes great just as is, but feel free to add any toppings you and your kids love. I like some blueberries. If I had a few mini chocolate chips, I think I'd probably add those too, and maybe some extra strawberries. This looks pretty good.
Okay, take a big bite and tell us how it tastes with the strawberries.
Tastes good. Tastes like sauce.
Yummy.
Click below to get the recipe card and the shopping list so that you have everything you need to start making these fun, healthy, cool treats with your family.